What's up everyone, it's your boy Pura, welcome back to my channel. So I'm not that much of a party person, once in a while I might go here and there, and by go I mean my friends would have to drag me here and there. But when I actually do go out, I always notice that there are certain kinds of people that are always present at a party, no matter what the occasion or place is. So let's talk about the types of people you see at every party. The sole job of this person is to ruin other people's lives. All they do at a party is take embarrassing photos and videos of their friends. A video of you flirting with someone, a video of you throwing up, and they keep all these photos and videos and screenshots of your drunk conversations safely hidden in their closet to be used as ammunition in future conversations. And the worst part is that you will never fight with this person because they know way too much and they hold the power to ruin your life. Oh yeah. What are you doing? Getting receipts. Oh yes, call your ex, come on. Oh, what this? No, I'm just trying a new yoga pose. Don't let it distract you, you continue. This person does not want to be there. They were dragged there by their friends. It is very easy to identify this person. They can be found always avoiding people, trying to hide in a corner, hoping that no one would notice them. They are innocent beings. All they want is for others to not feel bad for them, so they try to fake enjoy the party. Cheers, buddy. Cheers. This person is not there to party. This person is there to show off their wardrobe. The party could be 2 hours long, but somehow they will manage to have 3 costume changes in there. They would be walking in slow motion, waving at everyone, preparing their award-winning acceptance speech. This person is not over their ex. How do you locate them? You don't. They locate you. The tiniest bit of alcohol will touch their lips, and that's it. They will single-handedly bring down the entire energy level of the party. They will force the DJ to play sad songs to which no one can dance to, and everything reminds them of their ex. Oh, what, you are breathing? My ex used to breathe too. I miss her so much, man. She was the best thing that's ever happened to me. Should I call her? No, come on, man. Cheer up. You want some pizza? Pizza? Even she likes pizza. This guy has never had a girlfriend, nor will he ever have a girlfriend. If the cartoon Johnny Bravo came to life, this is how they will act. All they want in life is for a girl to give them some kind of attention. And the only criteria that they look for in a girl is that, is she a girl? Okay, then I'll hit on her. Have you met me? Who are you? I am the man of your dreams, baby. Hello? This person hates their regular life. In real life, they act like zombies, but at parties, they come back to life. They behave as if there is no tomorrow. Getting drunk, stripping, giving everyone lap dances, making out with anything that moves. So that's it for this video, guys. Last week I was actually at a party, but instead of getting drunk, I was writing the script. Just for that, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it. I'll make new videos every Saturday and I'll be forever grateful if you decide to stick around, so please make sure to click that subscribe button. You can also follow me on all my social media, the links are in the description below. And I'll see you next Saturday with another video. Until next time, bye!